I'm Barb Granados, the owner and creator of Lattes on Location in Dallas, Texas.
My name is Paul Granados. I'm owner of Lattes on Location, an espresso catering company. We come in and set up in your office, in your place of business, and we serve and either wake people up or make people happy.
We know what we're doing on the coffee end all day, but developing a franchise, we don't know what's involved.
I wanted no pressure. I didn't want to make this fast. I wanted to make it slow and proper.
We met Tom at Big Sky and we worked with their great team and developed all the different documents that we had no idea were involved in a franchise.
I wanted to make sure all the paperwork was done correctly. And I love working with Big Sky because they were easy to work with.
Tom was very forthcoming with the process and explained what it would take. The first time we had a conference call, I heard about all of their credentials and all of the education that they had. I was just so excited because I had a huge, powerful team on my side.
All the paperwork was done very easy. There was no pressure. I love doing business with Big Sky, and I would recommend that to anybody just getting started.
We couldn't have done it without them.